In your case, Jam, ano yung mga online platforms na na-try mo before and what are the online platforms that you could also recommend to our viewers right now?
Oh my gosh, I've tried a lot, and I'd say na I'm not an OLJ, Upwork, Fiverr girly. I never really had
Mhm.
a chance to get a client there. Kanya-kanya eh.
Oh,
There's a lot. There's Indeed. I've never got was able to get clients from there. But I'm a LinkedIn girly. So on LinkedIn, as long as your profile is optimized, and when I say optimized, ibig sabihin ng optimized is set up to success, from
mhm.
the banners and everything, people will absolutely message you randomly. Like, ito yung
Agree.
era na habulin mo ko, hindi kita lalapitan. Ganon. Ganon era ko. As well as, of course, social media is because of my presence nga in social media,
Mhm.
lumalapit na ang mga kliyente for
True.
consulting, stuff like that. So, that's how I do my talent acquisition, a client
Mhm.
acquisition. Because when you acquire clients, there's two ways eh, push and
Mhm.
pull. When you say push, it's you doing cold outreach, doing cold calls, cold
Mm.
messaging, di ba? When you
Okay.
say pull naman, it's you attracting them through social media postings,